Hi guys, welcome back to part 12. We are going to be building a frame again. We're going to build a frame to finish off that side of the car here. We're going to be building this guy right here. Because that guy there is going to go on right across here as far as here. It's going to be a similar piece to this over here, so it'll just come across here. And that is what we're going to build. Alright. Alright. So let's build it. It's going to be a short one. That is what you need. That way. Like that. I'm going to put in the black one here. Like so. Like that. And now we need this guy here, the 15 hole. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to go into the 8 hole. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to have to I think we are kind of wrong. No, like that. Take that one back out. Swap it to over here. Like that. Into the 8 hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Into the 8 hole. So we have 7 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. We are good for this one. Now we need, I'm going to put that one over here. The 2 black ones here. Then we need to put that one will go on here like so. The one with the collar. And that white piece down here will go on like that, but I'm going to do that off camera because it's hard to do. So we have something like this here. A blue piece on here, like that, and the color on it, that color there, go on like so. So grab the car here. And that will go on up front here, just like on the other side here. Just like on the other side, I'm going to put that piece on right now. And we are in. Yep, that is that up there. Alright, the car is taking a shape. Brilliant. So this is going to be a short one, 7 minutes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next part. Bye bye. Okay, I'm gonna put the title to this video right hand side of the frame, I think. And this is gonna be part 13. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.